Over the past few months, the Client Services team has been working on the execution plan to deliver against 8 strategic initiatives that will better service the enterprise clients. We have 3 underlying principles that guide us, and our initiatives are all being executed on with these in mind. The 8 strategic initiatives are well underway, and 3 of them will accelerate their delivery in H2. We hope that this video will provide more insight into the progress of our initiatives, as well as our plans to better service our multinational clients who are expanding outside of South Africa, and how service management is being targeted as a market differentiator, and what to expect from our project office in H2. Our ultimate goal is to enable our clients' objectives by delivering a purposeful service. You may have heard about the virtual team concept, and what we are seeing here is that clients have different business cycles. At some times, these are sales-driven, at other times, services-led, and there are times when architecture needs to take the lead. Through a flexible engagement model, ICE can meet and exceed our clients' expectations at every stage of their business cycle. Enterprise has segmented its clients into 3 archetypes: partner, key, and strategic clients. We have aligned our various client services teams to these archetypes and provide a differentiated service to each archetype. Kind of see it like international air travel: first class, business class, and economy class. Everyone flies on the same plane, but the onboard experience is quite different. Key and strategic clients nationally are being serviced out of a Joburg-based contact center, our GSC. The GSC performs first-line call taking and call routing. Inbound calls and emails are answered, logged, and classified, and then routed to resolver groups at ICE Joburg to resolve. If physical work is needed in the regions, the calls are routed to KZN, Cape Town, PE, and Bloem engineers to resolve. We are developing automation of event and service request notification and communication to our clients. This will be delivered via omnichannel, and clients will be kept up to date on the stages of the service assurance requests and incidents. We have a working national engineering model where client services teams hand off and assist other regions in installs and support requests. This has enabled scale and quicker turnaround times. A big change towards the end of last year was to collapse rapid response and join those support and installs engineers with the installs and support engineers already in the regions, forming local and focused partner service desks. These focused teams in KZN and Cape Town and Joburg will service the partner clients within those regions. This will provide better client experience and an improved service delivery. We have already seen a better handle on the queues, and our mean time to resolve has decreased. Our goal of giving back local decision-making and resource management to the regions is well on track. A national skills assessment was conducted and training requirements documented, budget approved, and the training is well underway. This is very exciting as we recertify our teams across the various technical competencies, as well as future-proof our teams to handle products such as SDN and tackle certifications like AWS, Ubuntu, and Linux. A national PMO forum was established earlier this year, and all 3 project offices are now collaborating and sharing knowledge and applying a consistent approach to project management. The PMO has agreed and documented on approved collateral, project frameworks, standards, and skills that will be applied across the country. We continue to have a focus on Africa and retail in our national PMO. We have identified a project office tool called PPO, and together with SharePoint, this will be our project office platform. We are gamifying our project office, a first for any African PMO, and soon you and our clients will see features that include like or rate your PM and apply rewards for collaboration and peer input. A restructure of the PMO has been done to align to program-led offerings, which will include project administrators and project managers formed into pods that focus on specific client portfolios. These will be led by a program manager. We hope to provide a more consistent, repeatable, and improved client engagement. The forming of these pods will provide defined career paths and skills development tracks for our project resources. We are seeing a number of South African multinational clients expanding into Africa and the rest of the world. We are focusing on a service management model that includes better supply management, aggregation of telco services, and assistance with governance and ITIL disciplines, like change and config and capacity management for these clients. We have developed a basket of services that shows clients where IS and DD have offices in Africa, where we can spare and keep hardware for our clients, and what products and services we can offer and at what time it takes to install. We'd like to offer due diligence services to these clients looking to expand into Africa and visit those countries before those clients decide to start an operation there, or if they're taking over an existing network, provide guidance and transition and transformation plans to them. Clients are asking for help with customs and tax implications, and we believe that service management is a differentiator and will add much value to our clients' expansion objectives. We have 3 service management models which are available in Siebel as a service offering. We have reintroduced the Hybrid Service Manager, which is a combination of service operations and service delivery for those clients that require this competency. The client split has been identified, and we know which clients have service management as a complementary service and which will need to pay for this service. We are developing an automated service management report. This is not a dream, but rather a reality that will be available in July. Service management is a market differentiator, and a massive focus on this team's delivery is planned for H2. We will manage our clients better and provide a professional and technically astute service management offering. We have great people who are already skilling up in things like service provider technologies, problem management, ITIL and soft skills, negotiating and reporting skills. Service realization and shared services has increased its service offering and will provide audit, QA and forensic services to client deployments and supported networks. Our major incident process is well matured with NIS and supported by change management, which now extends into client change management. We have introduced a problem management service called Kepner Trigo, and all our problem managers have been trained in this, and they can now own and run a problem management process at a client's premise following a consistent and internationally recognized framework. The escalation hotline is back, and this team continues to deliver a professional and ownership-driven supporting service to our internal clients, like sales and service management, as well as our external clients. Much work has gone into updating and creating client services supporting guides and documentation. These include a modern client support guide for our 3 client archetypes, an internal client services policy guide, an ultimate engagement guide, and fresh-looking service management guides. The High Five is officially back. This is the client services custom that we want promoted. Never for a second forget how important what we do is. We provide the technology and services that enable our clients to reach their business goals. Take it seriously and celebrate it.